She was the only thing standing between American mothers and Kevodon. While Europe was waking up to a nightmare, the United States was standing on the precipice of its own. In 1960, the William S. Merrill Company of Cincinnati acquired the American rights to thalidomide. They rebranded it with a catchy modern name, Kevodon. They were confident, after all, the drug was already a bestseller in dozens of countries. They submitted their application to the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, in September 1960, expecting a rubber stamp. They even had millions of pills printed and ready to ship, anticipating a launch by Christmas. But the application didn't land on the desk of a tired career bureaucrat. It landed on the desk of Dr. Frances Oldham Kelsey. Kelsey was new to the FDA. This was one of her very first assignments, but she wasn't new to science. She was a pharmacologist who understood that data mattered more than testimonials. When she opened the file on Kevodon, she wasn't impressed by the glowing letters from German doctors. She was bothered by what was missing. The application relied heavily on the fact that the drug didn't kill rats, but Kelsey noted that the drug didn't make the rats sleep either. If the drug acted so differently in humans than in animals, how could the animal safety data possibly be trusted? She also spotted a few obscure reports from Europe about tingling in the fingers and toes. That's nerve inflammation. If it could damage adult nerves, she wondered, what else might it be able to damage? So she did something brave. She said no. Under the laws of 1960, this was incredibly difficult. The FDA operated under that 60-day rule. If the agency didn't provide a valid reason to reject a drug within 60 days, it was automatically approved. It was a ticking clock designed to favor the pharmaceutical industry. Merrill were furious. They applied intense pressure. Executives called Kelsey's bosses. They visited the FDA offices. They called her a petty bureaucrat who was obstructing progress. But every time the 60-day clock neared zero, Kelsey would find another deficiency in the data and send the application back, resetting the timer. She was the only thing standing between American mothers and Kevodon.